Hello and welcome to a new content section in our AMALYZE training course. Today's topic and lecture is Category Listings Report, also called Reverse Feed. Maybe you've heard about it, or you can call it Category Specific Inventory File. I will show you how to apply for that, how to find it, download it, and use it. And of course, import it to AMALYZE, export it from AMALYZE, and import it back to Amazon. Of course, we have built it up a cool solution, but we will go through that step by step. First of all, to get that report, you need help from Amazon. You need to find that section in the support section and get support. You have to click here, and then you have to enter access inventory flat file per category. And with that, the confirmed issues will appear. In that case, we need that one inventory file upload issue. And when you mark it, and down there you can then open up need more help with this issue. Okay, this is absolutely necessary. Of course, we don't want to read through all the inventory file upload FAQs or so. We want direct access to the help of inventory file upload issues. Do it exactly like that. After that click, you will find that situation and you can create a case. Of course, select your preferred language, contact reason, inventory file upload issue. You don't need a batch ID or SKU. Set your email correct and press send. From that on, in let's say less than 30 minutes, you will receive a mail where you can get access to that new section in your Seller Central. Then you can go to inventory reports, and you will find the reverse feed category listings report, and you can open that up, and that is basically the reverse feed. You have to choose that, and then we will go on. You see it here, up here, category listings report. Then you can choose a category, the report format, listing created after, select the status filter, and you can request a report. Before we request report, we will go through that mentioned topics. As everybody knows, the main categories, you have to choose the one you are in with your products, or you can choose all. Then the report, I prefer the Excel. Of course, if you want to work directly with it, you can work with that absolutely good. Listing created after, that is one of the problems with that report. You cannot just choose December 2021 or all listings from 1st till last December in 2021, all listings created after. But you have the possibility to focus on active, inactive, incomplete, or inactive out of stock products. You have to make a decision here, and then you request the report and you can download it directly. And who has not seen an Excel sheet like that, it will look like that. And you will find different interesting information, especially one of the most problematic information is the feed product type. Of course, when you are uploading a product directly in Seller Central, we are using only the Seller Central itself without working with a flat file. You will not have the opportunity to choose a product type. You can see the problem here on the left. We are on the category jewelry, and we will find in the third row earring, in the sixth row fashion earring, and down there we will also find fashion ring, finger earring, fine earring. So the same wordings, earring, but combined with fashion or with a ring, combined with fine or fashion. That is causing different data fields, as you can see it on the right. Of course, every product type comes with own specifications. It's not only the category you have to choose, it's also the product type. And with that product type comes a category specific or product type specific keyword set. That means In just simple words, if you're using earring, you will be findable to keyword 1, 2, 3. If you're using product type fashion earring, you will be viewable, searchable, and findable for keywords A, B, C instead of 1, 2, 3. That is a big problem, and that's the reason why I don't like variations. I like to split up my products and use every different product types for every product. Of course, in a variation, you can only use one product type, but don't keep it too nerd talk here, too deep with the nerd talk. Just finding out which of your data is missing. You will find empty fields or filled fields. Maybe you have wrong values in there, and you can use Excel for that. I'm absolutely fine with it, but from our point of view, as a software as a service, we have developed a listing builder as an absolutely great solution. We don't want to talk in that scenario, in that video, about content creation. We are only talking about data enrichment, okay? You just have to create a new project, click on the blue button here, then you can import your data, and as a reverse feed is a filled inventory file, just choose that one. After that, we have to go through a 5-step process, really simple. Choose if you're a seller or vendor. Of course, that makes a big difference in flat file conception. Choose your marketplace, of course, Amazon.com or a European marketplace or wherever you want to list your product later. And you can select a folder, or you must select a folder. Of course, we are working with a known folder system where you can upload, download, and park all your lists and save them and adjust them and so on. So we have an own folder offered in our tool to manage all your data. Okay, when you're clicking next, and you will see if the import is going well or not. If you find here a problem, or we are finding a problem, you need to double check your data. Okay, when we have a problem with your data, it's not a problem of ours. Maybe you're using an old flat file type, or where are a few datas missing, or you have chosen a filled inventory file but you are uploading an empty one. Okay, then next, and you will come to the SKU section. Of course, you are entering data. You then can choose which SKUs or the products you want to implement or import to our system. Independent SKUs are combined in one field, and if you have variations, we will focus on the parents and find the different variations to it, how it is placed in your named and in your flat file. So no problem with that. Next, then you will come to the keyword section, but this is not a mandatory field, okay? You can upload the available keywords here. You can import from your lists from our system. You can exclude terms like brands or specific features, materials, what you want, but you can do that also later in the listing builder section content. As we are here only talking about getting the data into AMALYZE, that is really not the topic we are talking about now. After that, you can just submit and confirm, and you will find your products like shown here. All 3 trash cans with different sizes are now in our system. And on the left side, you are seeing content attributes in history. We're not talking about content at that moment. We are talking about data enrichment. You will find all your data from your flat file reverse feed in our system. And now you can start to making it better or correct it. For a little example, your finish type was painted, but you want to change it to brushed or polished, whatever is the correct one. We are working here with all valid values given by Amazon, and you can fill in all the data fields by your own. And please make sure you're not forgetting one of the most important fields, update, delete. You have to choose if you want to delete, partial update, or update something. Partial update is quite good if you have just a few new information changed. Me, for my point, I'm using normally update and taking all data with me. Of course, latest in the second part here, when it comes to save and export, you have to make a decision. First of all, of course, make sure you have clicked the save button, and after that, with the 3 points, you come to export, and you want to export an inventory file. And you will come to that section right here. The files to be exported are normally given on the left side, the general and basic fields. Of course, these are the mandatory fields given by Amazon. Okay, and on the right side, per drag and drop, you can just choose which field which field you want to set to be exported. You can set some predefined templates or build a custom template by your own, and you see it down here. And after that, just export. Then you will receive a flat file TSV as shown on the right down here, and with that file you can directly go to Amazon. Section add products via upload. Second section, upload your inventory file, drag and drop, or just browse through your fields and search for the flat file as here in my example, and then you will receive that information. Validation completed. Processing report format, of course, as we are using a TSV, use a text, and if you want, set an email alert, send your email address to Amazon if you want, or just click upload your file and you're finished. You have enriched your data without using the Seller Central, where a lot of data fields are missing and a lot of valid values are missing. Especially when it comes to specific information per product type. So we have built a great solution for that, and go for it. If you like that video, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell, of course, to stay informed about new videos and tips and hacks for Amazon, and of course use the AMALYZE browser extension.